the Spider IDE, and here as you can see I specify the path Python course folder. There I make a merge folder, and in this merge folder I make a merge.py Python file where we are doing the merge and joins of merge and joins in pandas library, using the pandas library in Python coding. So first of all I'm gonna import this pandas library because we are dealing the dataset. So that's why we have to this we have to import the pandas library. Then I'm gonna make a dataset, and it is a fake data. So let me open it for you. This is the datasets which I make: category, product name, product ID, price, seller, city, and that's all about the dataset. And there is the dataset number 2, which is a product data frame. And sorry, it is the first data frame. Let me show you the product data frame. And next comes the customer data frame, and it is also fake data. So these all are the names, age, product ID, purchase, product, and city. These are the customers who purchase. These are the customer about their data about them, and their product ID and the product which they bought, and city from they belong. So now we have to combine the data according to the product ID. So here I'm showing you the inner join first. Here it is a merge inner join underscore ID. This is the inner join. It combines all the rows which having the common product ID. Next, here I combining the here I am doing the inner join based on this product name. Let's say, like as you can see here, in customer we have the purchase product, and in product we have this product name. So based on these two we can do the inner join. We can perform inner join on these two datasets. So this is the merge inner based on the product. This is the inner join which is based on the product. So next comes the outer join. Here I'm performing the outer join, and in performing the outer join you have to specify a key column on which it perform the outer join. And to specify how you can perform the outer join, here you can specify just how. And to perform the join you just type pd pandas dot merge is a function. First of all you type the dataset 1, then you type the dataset 2, and then you type the key value. So when you do this you just perform the merge. You just perform the inner join because the default value is inner join. Then if you have to perform the outer join, then if you have to perform the outer join, left join or right join, then you have to specify on how hyperparameter you have to specify the outer, left or right. So here I'm performing the outer join. This is the dataset 1, this is dataset 2, and the key column from on which we are performing the outer join. So let me execute this. And so as you can see, the return dataset is literally large, bigger than both of those both on those both of the datasets, which are the customer dataset and product dataset. Merge outer is the larger, as I said in coding theory session. So keep in mind when you are performing the full outer join, then the data set which comes out, then the data frame which you get will be the larger in size. Next, if you want to see, as you can see that when you perform the merge outer, you don't know which rows belong to which data set or the table. So here I'm performing the writing another hyperparameter which is indicator equals to 2. And as you can see here, just it is showing that both it this row is present in both. This row is present in only left data set, this row is present in only in right data set. That's why it's showing the nan value in left side of data set. So that's all for the outer join in practical. Next comes the left join, and here it is the left join. As you can see, it takes the whole data set of left data set, and it takes the it takes the this intersection value of the of the right data set. And if there well if there are any row pending which has no value which is in the right join, then it will take as line values. So just opposite to that, we are doing the right join, where it takes the whole right data set, and if there is rows in right if there are rows in the right data set which are not matched in the first data set, then it will take the nine values. So that's all about this right join, and that's all about the joins in pandas library in Python, where you just have performed inner join, outer join, left join, and right join. So I would like to suggest you that you just take some data sets or make some fake data sets and try to perform some inner join and outer join and all of these joins, so that you can perform these joins better and get to know about them more, get deep intuition about of all of these joins. So that's all for today's session. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Stay motivated and keep learning.